How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. Now from your settings, you have to first of all turn on the developer option if you don't have enabled it yet. For that, tap on this about phone option from this settings page. Now in your about phone section, tap on version. Now under this version, you will get build number. You have to keep tapping on build number multiple times. After that, you will get an option to enable your developer mode. You can simply turn on that. In my case, I have already enabled the developer mode and I am a developer now. Once you have enabled the developer mode, now go back to your settings page and in the search bar in settings page, search for developer option. That's gonna directly take you to developer options page. Here, scroll down a bit and search for the option which will be located at the end of this interface. So you will have to search for an option that says force allow apps on external. It says makes any app eligible to be returned to external storage regardless of manifest value. So to use your SD card as internal storage, you have to turn on this toggle. Once you turn on this toggle, so whenever you download any files in your device, it will get saved to your SD card and then you can use SD card as internal storage in Android. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.